Hello and welcome to Railway Track Academy. Today we will explore the essential concept of sleeper density in railway tracks. Sleeper density is traditionally defined as the number of sleepers per rail length. In the early days of Indian railways, broad gauge tracks used rails of 13-meter length. Therefore, the density was calculated based on the number of sleepers in that 13-meter rail. For this, the formula m plus x or n plus x was used. Here, m or n represents the rail length, which is 13 meters, and x denotes the number of additional sleepers beyond 13. This value of x usually ranges from 3 to 7. For example, a sleeper density of m plus 7 means 13 plus 7, which equals 20 sleepers per rail length. However, in modern railway systems, sleeper density is defined as the total number of sleepers per kilometer of track. The density is decided based on factors like train speed, traffic volume, and the importance of the track. For new track constructions or renewals, a minimum of 1660 sleepers per kilometer is mandatory. For high-speed tracks with speeds between 110 kmph and 160 kmph, 1660 sleepers must be provided. Now pay close attention to loop lines. For loop lines where the speed exceeds 50 kmph, the manual stipulates a sleeper density of at least 1660. However, for tracks with speeds less than 50 kmph or for sidings used for loading and unloading, a density of 1540 sleepers per kilometer is sufficient. The reason for lower density in sidings is simple. Unlike main lines, trains in sidings travel at very low speeds, typically between 15 to 50 kmph. Since the speed is low, the impact on the track is minimal, which is why 1540 sleepers are permitted. In the past, a density of 1340 nose per kilometer was used for less important lines. But as per the latest IRPWM standards, this low density is being replaced by 1540 or 1660 to ensure better safety. It is also important to note that different tracks in station yards have specific requirements. For running lines and busy yard lines, the density should be m plus 4. For less busy yard lines, m plus 2 is recommended. Please remember, these m plus 4 and m plus 2 standards were as per older norms. According to the latest amendments of IRPWM, there are instructions to increase the density in major yard lines as well. Additionally, for safety installations like sand humps or dead ends, the sleeper density is kept at its minimum, which is usually m plus 1. Furthermore, the principal chief engineer has the authority to increase sleeper density under special circumstances. Higher sleeper density reduces lateral movement and provides better stability. In LWR or CWR tracks, it helps control expansion and contraction, minimizing movement in the breathing length. Now, check the tracks in your local area and comment their sleeper density below. These are the fundamental facts about sleeper density. Now, let's look at some important questions for departmental exams. 1. What is the permitted sleeper density for all mainline routes according to IRPWM 2020? 2. What is the sleeper density for loop lines with speeds above 50 kmph? 3. In which correction slip were the major sleeper density amendments first introduced? We will discuss these in detail in our upcoming videos. So today we learned about the evolution of sleeper density and how it is determined. As per latest updates, the standard density for main lines is fixed at 1660. In our next video, we will discuss sleeper spacing, calculation for 1340 density, and the permitted tolerances. Don't forget to subscribe to Railway Track Academy for more technical knowledge. Thank you.